Hazev8 Installation Guideline. Now I'll show you how to do it in an easy way. For us to update or install Hazev8 and mount for. First we get Join First Channel Haze Promotion. After activation, Licensing System Haze. After joining, sir, please click on the message pin. So near the message pin, there will be details. We will give you a step or how to update the tutorial. First, we download first MT4A. Click and open. OK, when we open it, it will continue. Download installer for mount for AirChain. Just save it in the download folder. When you save it, we're going to run installation file and key right-click Dan Run as administrator. OK, we'll do it next time. Just click Next Step to install MT4A. Wait until it is complete. When it is complete, click Finish. After you click Finish, automatic mount for Errant will opened inside Windows. After this mount 4 is opened, what should we do? Is log in first. Trading account in mount 4 so that ADA connection. This connection number will work. It will be a successful connection. The connection status is near here. Make sure. Log in using details. That is given. From email. Key, we log in first. How to log in mount for. Alright, go to the server. Depend on notification that you get in the email. Key select server. DA login existing. Account. After inserting password and also login details, right-click Finish. OK, make sure there's one below. Connection status, Nia Adaride, she got beat. Beat. OK, there's already a connection. The connection has been successful. The next step, OK for default. Our windows will close. All right. Next step, we will set first. This is mount 4 before we install it. Hazev8. First, you need to go to the Tools section and select Option. Select it in the Expert Advisor tab. Make sure this clicks. This one, we antique. It looks good. This, etc. Type. Next. Click OK. OK, wait until you download and log in. Go back in the Channel H promotion earlier. In Channel H promotion, click number 2 to download the installer. Click on the Download Installer section. OK, let's go. Click here and choose. Click the Next Save As button after downloading. Show in folder. Alright. Copy the installer. We copy first. And go inside our 0 mount 4. Click File, Open Data folder. And we're going to paste installer in this folder. Paste. OK, after that, run in this file. OK? After clicking Run, just press the button. Install. Click Close. OK, I have successfully installed it, all Indie and also Expert Advisor inside. T4. Next, in Mount 4, there is an Expert tab. Indicator, if you're looking here. At first he didn't show up. Why haven't we refreshed yet? Indicator list. So the next step is to go somewhere. Right-click and press Refresh. Everything will appear. Our indicators and also... It's all right. I'll wash it in the marketplace. For the disabled, this key is disabled. This is a non-tradable instrument. So next you have to right-click in it. Select Show All. The black one is an instrument that we can... Wandering Trade. They drank. As usual, it doesn't matter if it's US. Okay, let's set it up above so that ... He moved the paint to the back. All right, next time we'll add 1/1 of H, alpha, beta, Kali Eco, and also H, delta in the Expert. So we just load it. Click OK. All right, beta, we load in the paint. Kali, we load in paint. Eco, load in paint, and last once. H Delta Pro, pull and load in the press paint. OK. When the load is complete, a notification will appear. Click OK to confirm. There is a warning for the key above, and with loading. Next, I will try to download the template. Download template NI default 4, Hazev8. Show in folder. We will copy this file. Go to File, Open Data folder, and we will enter it in the template section. Next, we will paste it here. Close. Go to the template section. Just click Default. OK, finish the step. Installation for Hazev8 system.